Hello everyone, my name is Hassan. Welcome to my channel Tech and Touch with Hassan. Today I want to show you guys how to record your computer screen in Windows 10 without install another app on your computer. That is already a part of your Windows 10, and you can available microphone option on the video as well. Okay, let's go to check it out. Here is my computer screen where you want to record your computer screen. You can record on the browser, on your window, and you can record the whole computer screen. Okay, first we need to do the computer keyboard option. Press start menu or Windows key, then we need to select Xbox console companion. Okay, once the file is open, then we can close the file. Okay, then we need to press Windows and J. After pressing Windows and J, we can find the option. Here we can take a screenshot, we can start recording option, and there is the microphone option. There is the setting, we can set the important setting if we want. Okay, so now we can start the video. They are already started the screen recording. If we want to make a sample recording video, we can do this from there. Okay, we want to search something on Google search box like hello text. Okay, after searching, we can say there is lots of images like this image hello. Okay, if we want, we can do any tutorial or any kinds of video from there. I think it's help to make a tutorial without hassle free if you guys want. Okay, after complete the video or screen recording, you can stop the video from there or press Windows J. Okay, if you guys want to check the video, you can press Windows J and you can find the video from there like gallery. Then we can check the video from there. They are already started the screen recording. If we want to make a sample recording video, we can do this from there. Okay, we want to search something on Google search box like hello text. Okay, after searching, we can say there is lots of images like this image hello. Okay, if we want, okay, you guys check the video from there. If you want, you can save the video and open the file explorer where you want to save the video. It's easily can record the screen. Okay, so hope you guys enjoy the video. So please give big thumbs up. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the update. Thank you.